Welcome. In front of me is an Alcatel 1B, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings, and in here scroll all the way down to System, and then select Reset, and choose Factory Data Reset. This will bring up a message letting you know that doing so will remove everything that is listed right here. Now the things that you should actually worry about is things like your music, photos, and user data. Things like downloaded apps or system app data and accounts don't really matter because these are all technically stored on a cloud. So apps you can re-download, system app data you can regain after you re-download the apps, and Google accounts you can just re-sign in. But music, photos specifically, and user data are primarily ones that are unique to a user, so you won't be able to just freely download it. Anyway, I'm gonna select Reset Phone, assuming you have created a backup. If you want to, if you don't, just progress further and select Reset Phone, and this will now begin factory resetting the device. Now this process will take probably a couple minutes on this device, so just be patient, and once it's completed we will be presented with Android setup screen. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.